Like, of course, you always split. I mean, of course, you're gonna be happy you're going outside the house. Because you're gonna see your family, you're gonna see your friends, everything that's waiting for you. But then again, when you leave the house, you're leaving people behind. We left the regulars behind, which after only 3 weeks became really close to. So we're sad that we are leaving our family behind, but of course we're happy we get to see the outside world again. So it's always half-half.
Ikaw, Maymay.
Yung bago nga kami nalabas, sobrang iyak-iyak kami kasi parang napipicturean ko na parang matagal-tagal na hindi kami magkwentuhan ni Kuya sa competition niya. Nag-aangat pa naman ako, nasabihan niya akong maganda. 3 months, wala talaga. Puro lang maganda araw, maganda ang buhok, maganda ang... Nag-pageant na ako, wala pa rin. Lumabas na lang ako, wala talaga. Kahit konti lang. Pero yun, namimiss ko si Kuya, hindi lang si Kuya. At saka yung nabuong samahan po with the regulars po. Kasi sobrang tuwang-tuwa ako at nakilala ko sa mga katulad nila. Dahil punong-puno sila ng mga wisdom. Punong-puno sila ng mga experience. Kasi gusto-gusto ko gusto ko rin kunin yung ano natutunan nila at may bahagi din sa iba. Kasi parang ang ganda talaga nilang magka-group.
Sino mga naging pinaka-close ninyo sa regular housemates?
Silang lahat po talaga.
Yeah.
Isa-isa. Kasi lahat sila nag-o-open up talaga sa amin. Tsaka close na close kaming lahat.
Kami, hindi man kami naging teen housemates at nakasama kayo sa loob ng bahay, feel namin naging parte na rin kami ng journey nyo kasi dahil sa mga pinakita nyo sa amin for 15 weeks.
15.
Imagine mo, 15 weeks. At punong-puno ng saya at kulay ang buhay namin dahil sa inyo. Kaya maraming salamat.
Maraming salamat po.
Pero ngayon nasa outside world na kayo, I'm sure feeling nyo out of this world din yung mga nag-experience nyo.
Yeah.
Kaya ano ba ang mga naging ganap ng ating Lucky Threesomes at sa kaniyong at sa kaniyong mga housemates? Paglabas sila ng bahay ni Kuya, panoorin natin ito. Oh.
Wala, patay na.
Ain't it funny? Is it just guesswork? Baby, with just a touch. Two different people from such different worlds apart has touched each other's heart like candles in the dark. If it's time for us, we gotta take it, take the chance to make it now. Let the love begin, let the light come shining in. Who knows where the road will lead us now? Look at what we found. Make this moment turn our hearts around. It may never come again. Let it in. Let the love begin.
Maraming salamat po. Dahil sa inyo, parang naging, parang yung, kasi, yung pangarap ko, parang pangarap din na rin. Kasi gusto ko rin yung, maabot, yun din yung pangarap nyo. Kaya, sobrang nakakatuwa. Sobrang nakakatuwa. Sobrang nakakatuwa na yun nga, sumuporta kayo sa akin at naniwala kayo. At saka, sa mukha ko din po, joke lang. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. Sana po ay magkita-kita tayo pa. Tapos, Bonding ko. Tapos, mahal na mahal ko po kayo. Sana po hindi po kayo magsawang sumupunta. Dahil babalik ko po ito sa inyo.
Mahal ko. Ba't mo kinuha yung pwesto ko?
So close together, I can feel the fire start between us.
We've come this far, too far to stop it now. If this is meant to be,
It's meant to
a
be.
chance for you and me. We found our destiny. Looking at a new forever.
Make this dream come true together now.
Of course, guys, thank you so much. We wouldn't be here, none of us would be here if you had supported us much. And you've made something that I didn't think that maybe, like at the beginning when I came, I wasn't so sure that I liked
Pero
BB.
panaginip mo,
Honestly, it was like that. I didn't know the language, I didn't really know people, I was away from home, it was hard. And to see that when I came out, all of you guys supported me, believed in me. Thank you, really. And I owe it to you, I always be thanking you. Thank you so much.
I'll call you next week.
No, tomorrow.
Today, he found my phone number, he got it from my dad. And we've been texting a lot.
Kailan doon siya mabalik?
I think the 28th, so Friday.
Wow!